When the hopeful young girl June meets Jules, a pig with wings, she realizes anything is possible. Set against the backdrop of their deplorable downtown, the ever-positive June befriends the determined winged pig Jules. Their adventure takes the unlikely friends on a journey of self-discovery, courage, believing in one another, and leaving an imprint on the world. After countless attempts at flying and leaving his own piglet imprint on obstacles, Jules flies high above the naysayers. In the end, sheer determination, encouraging friends, a revitalized downtown, and a flying pig make one believe anything really is possible.